Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel if it's your first time here, and if not, welcome back. On this channel, I mostly review diaper bags, baby products, toddler products, and I occasionally upload a vlog. So if that's something that interests you, make sure and subscribe. My name is Ashley. I am a mom of 3, soon to be 4. And today I am actually going to be reviewing the Wallace Large Metro Tote. So let me just jump right into it. So first, I wanted to make sure that I showed you that it does come in its own little, not little, it's huge. What's this called? A dust bag. And it's nice and thick, so I like it a lot. My daughter loves it. And this is one of the awesome features that it has. It folds into one of the pouch that is included with this bag. It includes a large, which is this one, a medium, and a small. So I just thought this is so cool because if you are traveling, you can add this to your suitcase just in case you get things on the way or need to move things out of your suitcase. You can open this bad boy up and fill it a lot because it's ginormous. It's so big and so awesome. So yeah, you just unzip and the bag comes right out. This is the medium bag that is included with the Metro Tote, the large Metro Tote. And then this is the large Metro Tote. It is huge. I love it. I had been wanting a large tote bag because I feel like I always have just the right size and don't really have space for extra things, and I've always wanted like a big bag, and I found it. So I'm gonna go through what I actually pack in this bag and why I love it, and I think that everyone will too if you really want a huge bag. So let me just start. Okay, I keep getting interrupted by my kids. So here it is with my like daily needs for my children and I have 2 4-year-olds and a soon-to-be 2-year-old. And I'm pregnant with my 4th. And this is what I carry for all of my kids. And what I love about it is that when I have a newborn and it's colder, I can toss in blankets and jackets. And if we are still here in Texas where it got super cold last year, I can store their gloves and their hats, and everything can fit in here with, you know, tons of room to spare. This is just a simple tote. It has a nice logo right here, and at the bottom it does have like little leather feet and the logo right in the middle. No pockets on the outside, but it does have a really nice big zipper to keep your things secure. So again, I'm going to show you kind of what I have for my kids, and what I love about it is that when I have my 4th, I can toss in a ring sling or a wrap, her blanket, her little car seat cover. I can add in extra clothes. All the things that little babies need fits in here perfectly, and I still have lots of room to spare. Okay, so here you can kind of see that it is a huge pit of space. You can barely see like the things that I have in there packed. It does have this back zippered pocket, and this divides kind of into 3 pockets. It has 2 little divider pockets in the back and then space in the front. I only have some emergency cash in this pocket, and I usually keep my house key in the other one and some extra boogie wipes, but my kids stole the boogie wipes and I put my keys in a little pouch just for myself. It has another pocket right in the front that is the perfect size for a ID or a credit card. So it's nice because you can keep it kind of hidden if you wanted to hide it. And then in the front, it actually has 2 pockets that have this leather trim. In one, I have some more boogie wipes for my kids. And in the other, I keep some extra wet ones to clean my kids' hands and faces and all that stuff. Okay, so right here, I have one of the pouches that is included with this bag. It has a small, medium, large, as I mentioned. This is the smaller size, and in here I have a bunch of snacks for my kids. I have bars, lollipops, gummies, all sorts of stuff in here, and I still have more room. And I love the big chunky zippers and the leather pulls. It's really nice. Then I have the medium pouch, and in here I have all of our diapering necessities for my almost 2-year-old. I have wipes, and then I have diapers, I have diaper cream, trash bags, and the little bum brush. And I love this because I like to keep my diapers in a pouch that I can just take with me to a restroom or to the car and don't have to bring my whole bag. I have some little books to keep my kids entertained because they love those. Those are super old. And I have a little simple dimple for my kids. This bag does have a little key leash, which is where I have my car keys attached. And I also have a Dagny Dover pouch that came with one of my other Dagny Dover bags. I love it because it's small, but it fits a ton of stuff. It's a nice big mesh. And then I have all sorts of like first aid stuff, and then I have a portable charger and extra headphones and just things just in case of an emergency. And then the last one I have is this leather wristlet from Lily Jade, which is one of my favorites. And in here I have mostly my things. I have gum, I have a hand sanitizer spray, my house key and mailbox key, my wallet. This is a really nice slim wallet. It's kind of like an envelope style card holder from Dagny Dover, which I love. I have some spare sunglasses. These are my cheap ones from Amazon. I have 2 face masks. This one is from Ryla Pack, and this is just a disposable one. Then I have my OB card. And I have this little pouch that came with my Crosby Backpack Traveler. And in here I have just kind of like my lip products, some mints, and a little mirror. I could take this out because I'm not wearing these out anymore with the mask situation. But that's kind of like my mama pouch. I can take this out and go to my OB appointments and know that I have everything I could need. Okay, and then kind of tossed underneath everything, I have the large pouch that I showed in the beginning that fits the large Metro Tote, kind of to use as a, if anyone gets dirty, I can put their clothes in here, even though it's not a wet bag. I can put their clothes in here and put it outside of my bag, so I make sure that they are contained and not contaminating anything else. I'm gonna make sure and add some on the body clips so you can see how enormous this bag is. A note is that I am 5'1.5" and I am 22 weeks pregnant. But you can get a better idea of how the bag looks on me, and for reference, because it's really, really big, but it doesn't like feel overwhelming, if that makes sense at all. I just really love this bag. So that's everything I have in my MC Wallace large Metro Tote in the color Magnet, which is a beautiful color. I absolutely love this color so much. I haven't filmed since March, and I am reminded why that is because my kids are getting into everything and they interrupted this video like 15 times. So I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Make sure to check out my Crosby backpack review. If you like this, show me with a thumbs up. And if you aren't a subscriber and like this type of content, don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go, and I will see you soon.